Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to link your Telegram to CoinMarketCap account. So first we're going to go to the CoinMarketCap app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top right corner. Then here we're going to click on settings. So under account section, we're going to click on profile settings. So once you scroll downwards, there's the Telegram option. You're going to click on it. So they're going to ask you to log in using your phone number. Then once you log in, you're going to click on next. Then I'm going to request you to access the bot. Then I'm going to click on accept. So now your Telegram will be connected with your CoinMarketCap account. You guys should click on accept on your Telegram app so that it's intertwined. So that's how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.